Ever wondered how often we use logic in our daily lives? From deciding what to wear based on the weather, to figuring out the quickest route to work, to solving complex mathematical problems, logic is the unseen force guiding our decisions. But what exactly is logic, and why is it so pivotal? Think of logic as the science of correct reasoning. There are two main types of logic: formal and informal. Formal logic, often referred to as the science of deduction, is all about structure. It's like a mathematical equation. For instance, consider the statement, "All roses are flowers, this is a rose, therefore this is a flower." Here, the conclusion follows from the premises due to the structure of the argument alone, regardless of the subject matter. On the other hand, informal logic is more concerned with the content of arguments. It's like a detective piecing together clues to solve a mystery. For example, if you see wet umbrellas and people wearing raincoats, you might deduce that it has been raining. This is an instance of informal logic, where the conclusion arises from an understanding of the situation, rather than a structured argument. While formal logic uses a formal language, like a computer code, informal logic is expressed in natural language, the language we speak and write in. The difference is like that between a strict recipe and a freestyle cooking session. In both types of logic, arguments play a central role. An argument is a set of premises leading to a conclusion. For instance, it's Sunday. If it's Sunday, then I don't have to work. Therefore, I don't have to work, is an argument. The premises, it's Sunday, and if it's Sunday, then I don't have to work, lead to the conclusion, I don't have to work. An argument's correctness depends on whether its premises support its conclusion. Deductive arguments, the kind used in formal logic, have the strongest form of support. If the premises are true, then the conclusion must also be true. On the flip side, ampliative arguments, often used in informal logic, arrive at new information not found in the premises. To summarize, logic, whether formal or informal, is the cornerstone of our decision-making process. Formal logic, with its structured arguments, is like following a precise recipe, while informal logic, with its focus on content, is akin to a detective solving a mystery. Both rely on arguments, which are sets of premises leading to a conclusion. Correct arguments are those where the premises support the conclusion. Understanding and applying logic helps us make sound decisions, solve problems, and navigate our complex world. So the next time you make a decision, remember the invisible force of logic guiding you along the way.